Andrew here. This is going to be a quick one. Notice I'm inside my Christmas tree. Let's go over some tips for hanging Christmas lights inside your house. Let's get to it. Tip number 1, window decor. To hang these things easily, you can use a suction cup, or, can you guess my favorite? Command strips. Okay, zoomed you folks in. As you can see, the command strip. What I like about the command strips is essentially permanent until, well, we move. On to tip number 2. Tip number 2, wall decor. As you can see, I got my wife's Mickey ears here, and it's on a regular old picture hook. A little more industrial one, but one that works great. This is a great tip. Try to place your pictures in a place where you want to put decorations. So you can just flop the picture out with your Mickey ears. So, picture hooks are great for things that weigh a little more, or you'd be a dead spouse if it fell on the ground. Obviously, you also have your command hooks. What I really like about the command hooks when doing wall decor is for wire management. My preferred method for indoor decor, Christmas decorations, especially Christmas lights, are S-hooks. You can just leave them up. They blend right in, especially if you just have a white wall, get white hooks, disappears. And when you remove them, if you need to, the hole they leave is incredibly minor that can be really just touched up with paint. No need to whip out the spackle knife and the plaster. Let me show you guys how easy this is. Okay, first, get yourself an assortment of S-hooks. And as per the usual script, you can find everything I use in this video, including the power tools that I'm about to use, as affiliate links in the description below. Please check it out. It helps me a great deal. Okay, one thing about these pretty cheap generic S-hooks is that they aren't really the sharpest in the world. So let's make this easy. Okay, so this is the S-hook that I'm going to demonstrate. I'm using a 5/64 inch just generic old drill bit. You don't even have to go all the way through the drywall. You're just trying to get this thing started, so you're not wanting to rip your hair out. And there you go. It's that simple. Now, these hooks, they're not going to take a lot of weight. They're just in the drywall. You pretty much, once you put them in, you don't take them out because drywall obviously doesn't form threads. But for this purpose, they work wonders. Like in my living room, I essentially have the entire rim of the room with these small S-hooks. I can put up Christmas lights. I can hang other decor throughout the year that my wife might want up. And it gives you opportunities to do other creative things. If you want to string stuff across the room so your elf on a shelf can go paragliding or whatever. It lets your imagination run wild, especially when you have kids, like me. So that's all the tips I got for interior decor for today. I know it's not a lot, but there's not really a lot to go over. It's pretty straight simple. Use common sense and be careful. Got your S-hooks, got your command strips, picture hooks, and maybe even a suction cup. And if you really get desperate, you can always use tape. It's inside. Go to the level that you feel comfortable with to make it look right. And so it doesn't drive you nuts. As always, I will have affiliate links down below for the drill, S-hooks, command strips, picture hooks, eventually, even this shirt. But not today. It'll help me a lot if you guys like and subscribe and leave a comment below. Till next week, stay sleepy, my friends.